Hey, this is Jared again here at the Village of Auburn for your Maintenance Tips Tuesday, and I wanted to go over your garbage disposal. So let's say it's not running or it's not, chunking up anything that you put down there. This is what you can do to help proceed the process before calling in for a service request. You actually come all the way down here. This is what it would look like, and to the back or bottom part of the garbage disposal, there's a little button, a little red button right there, and you actually would press that, and what it would do is it would spin it. And that would help get any chunks that could be holding it back. But if you press it and it does not spin and you hear like a continuing zzz, that means there's something jammed in the middle and a maintenance team would have to come out further to do that. But you can try and use that and see if it would help you along the way. See you next time.